So welcome to, this could be a tour of a 1984 Bluebird Wanderlodge. We are obviously in the cockpit area, it's the driver's area, and then overhead. So I'll do an in-depth tour. This will just be an overview of, we got a little bit of construction going on, so you'll see that I've got the dinette all tore apart and sitting up front here on the couch. So this will give you kind of a view looking back toward. This is the refrigerator, which is currently out right now for some renovation work we're doing. I'll get into that in a minute. It's my little vintage bus display. This is the kitchen area. We've got a bunch of stuff stacked up right now. This is normally where the dinette would be. So this is where we're currently working. This is where the refrigerator would go. The bottom area where the fridge sits was pretty tore up, so we are renovating that. Got water damage, so part of that is you'll see the vent back there. I've closed that up, blanked it off, and we're going to seal that up. And we're also going to seal up the vent from the roof. We no longer need that. We have a 110 volt fridge, runs off the inverter, so all that venting was for the propane fridge. This one will just cool from the air from inside the bus. There's a microwave. The sink is, or the stove is up under there. That's a built-in ice maker. Built-in coffee maker back here. As you can see, is the bedroom. It has twins beds. There's several closets. There's closets behind the bedroom. All the overhead bays. This one has like a little makeup station counter or whatever. Opens up. This is the bathroom. Not a wide angle lens, it's kind of hard to see. Whoops. There we go, a little more light. This just got done the other day, is a new toilet. Like I said, there's several cabinets. This one has the panel in it. This one is a full height cabinet. So got all our and then the cabinet with hanging clothes. There's also room in the back and behind the mirrored areas that have hanging clothes space. So we're going to be replacing that drawer right there. It's just sitting there, goes on the bottom down there, and then there's a piece of wood that goes on these two little ledges right here. A piece of plywood sits on there that the refrigerator sits on. They put all that, I guess they put all that vinyl on there to just kind of cover up all the wiring. I've already kind of modified this. There was actually doors up here before, and this refrigerator is a little taller, so we had to raise this up, so we just have a little shelf up there. This is the little Bluebird command center, the tank levels, outside temperature. Fridge doesn't have any, so it's a top fridge and bottom freezer. I'm also thinking about trimming the dinette down from sticking out past that cabinet. Trim it down quite a bit to give us a little more walking room. And it'll slide back out so that we can make a bed. That's about it. If you have any questions about what anything is, just post them in the comments. If you want to see anything else specific or have any specific questions, I don't know everything about Wanderlodges, but I know a lot more now owning one, and be happy to answer any questions that I know about. Maybe I'll do a little more once I got this buttoned up. I'll do an in-depth video of all the features, or a majority of the features. It's hard to capture all the features, but thank you for watching. Subscribe if you enjoy this channel, and we'll see you back again.